going to be making a practical and yummy Easter gift today, so let's just pop these to one side before I end up just not doing a video and scoffing those instead. Right, so I've mixed up some resin. I've got 3 pots there and a bit of left over there. So in the clear one, I'm going to add some of the Super Sparkle White by Tracy at Mini Scenes GB. This is the 80 mesh. So I'm going to pop a bit of that into there. And then in the next one, I'm going to add some of the Dorset Blue by Create and Bloom. So let's get some of that into that one. In the next one, I'm going to add the Let's Resin mica powder in yellow. So some of that going into there. And then in the last one, I'm going to add the Let's Resin alcohol ink in blue. So a few drops of that going into there. And then I'm just going to get these all mixed up, and then I'll see you when they're ready. That's all my resin mixed up, so I'm going to do a dirty pour. So I'm just going to add all the colours into one pot all together, just alternating between all of the 4 different pots here. No set pattern or anything, I'm just going to randomly pop them in. And this is going to be for my friend, and she's as mad about blues as I am, and her kitchen is blue and yellow, so hopefully this will turn out nice. So I'm just going to keep layering these up. Let's pop some more of that one in there. I think I want more of the blues than the yellow. So let's just finish off with a bit of clear. Pop that in there. And then I'm going to give my mould a quick squirt with some 99% alcohol. That is squirt in there. And then I'm going to pour from the opposite side of the cup from where I added it to the cup. So just going to randomly put this in here and mix all those colours in together, and hopefully we'll get a nice marble effect. Get some in all those little edges. Hopefully I've made enough. I've still got some left over, so I can top it up. Right, that's all of that used up. So I think I'll top it up with some of the leftovers here. Let's pop all that in. Scrape that one out, and then I think we'll use the leftover of the alcohol ink. Get that one in there. Scrape out the rest of that one, and then I think this one here. So this is the Dorset Blue. Let's finish off with that one. Hopefully that will take it up to the top. Scrape the rest of that one out. Right, I think that's about it. So we'll leave this to cure. Let's just give that a quick zap over the top with some 99% alcohol. Pop any bubbles that might be there. and I'll see you back for demold. This is all cured up now, so let's pop this out, see how it's looking. Need to be careful on these corner pieces because they do still seem soft. Let's see if I can pop that out. Same with this side. It's coming out okay. Maybe that. Just this corner here to get off. Don't forget to pop your moulds back in the right way. You don't want any creases in them. Right, let's have a look. Not sure about that. I didn't want to add too much yellow because I was worried about it going green. So, yeah, I'm not quite sure about that. So, I think what I'll do is, I think I'll pour another one. So, I'll just get some resin mixed up and then we can try again. I've mixed up some more resin and I think we'll just stick with blues this time. So, I've got the Create and Bloom Dorset Blue and the Create and Bloom Hydrangea. Got those two lovely colours. And I'm going to use the Super Sparkle White again from Tracy at Mini Scenes GB. So I'm just going to pop some of that into that one there. Let's pop a bit more in, I think. Why not, eh? Right, so that's that one. And again, same colour as before with the Dorset. Let's pop some of that one into that one. And then the Hydrangea, pop that one into there. So I'll get these mixed up and then I'll see you back in a minute. That's all my colours mixed up. So I'm going to give the mould a squirt with some 99% alcohol. Just pop some of that into there. Help with those bubbles, or the lack of them, hopefully. Right, so this time I don't think I'll do a dirty pour. I think I'm just going to pour it just randomly straight into the mould. So starting off with the glittery one. Then let's add some of the Dorset Blue. And then we're going with the Hydrangea. Pop some of that into each little section. I think we're going next with the clear again. Some of that in there. And then let's go back in with the Dorset. Just pop some of that down the middle. And then same again with the Hydrangea. And then let's go in with the clear again. Liking those colours much better already. So let's just finish off with some more of the Dorset Blue. Pop some of that in there. Right, I think we're all topped up. So I'll find something for my little leftovers and then I'll see you back for demold. Oh, keep forgetting. Let's give that a quick little spritz just with some 99% alcohol. Pop any bubbles. So I'll see you back in a little while. These are all cured up now, so let's pop these out. I did pour a little butterfly with the leftovers. So let's see how this one's looking first. Oh, lovely. Beautiful butterfly. Right, let's get this one out next. So while I'm demolding this one, I'll just quickly mention that today's video is part of the Friendship Express train that's organised by myself and Susie from Serendipity Creations, Tina from Pour Resin with Love, and Amy from Resonating Art by Amy M. So there will be a playlist in my description box for you to have a good binge watch at. So I think we're nearly there with getting this one out. Oh, there we go. Don't forget to pop your moulds in the right way, because otherwise you get creases like that. So let's have a look at this one. Oh, that's better, isn't it? Oh, I like that. Lovely. Nice bit of marbling on the sides there as well. Right, so my friend, oh, there's a bit of crackling going on in there as well. So my friend does like chrome as well. She has lots of chrome in her kitchen. So I think I'm going to add some of this chrome marker pen onto these bits here. Add a bit of bling to it. So I'll do that to all these corner bits as well. So just working my way all the way around. It's lovely and shiny, this chrome pan. Can't remember where this one's from. Right, a few more left to do. A couple more this side. And last one there. Lovely and shiny. Oh, that's just put a little bit on the butterfly's wings as well. Some down there, some down the edge there, and then the same on this side. Bit there, and then some there. I do love blue and silver. I think it looks lovely together. There's the butterfly. Don't think I'll be able to put that on there because I won't be able to get the eggs in. So that's how that's looking now. Right, let's try the eggs in it then. So let's pop some of these into here. And they go, whoops, they go nicely in there. 6 of those. Ooh, 2 left over. So 2 for me. Lovely. Right, let's pop that one to one side for a minute. So I want to give this as a gift. So I think what I'll do is, I've got some cellophane and some blue and silver ribbon. So I'm not sure if this cellophane is going to be wide enough, but let's have a look and see if we can get it to work. Let's bring those 2 side bits in first. And then that bit and that bit. Tuck those bits in there. Bunch that up there. And then let's start with the silver ribbon and wrap that around. And then I need an extra pair of hands. Tie that in a bow. Let's see if we can, oh, quickly, there we go. Oh, I missed a bit at the back. Let's try and get that with the next ribbon. Now that one's in place, let's tuck that one under there. And then tie that one up. That's better. And then I think we'll do a bow with the silver one. Pop a bow in there. Cut that end off. trim that one up a bit, and then I'll trim these two up at the front here. Cut that one that way and that one that way. So that's them all gift wrapped. Nice and easy, quick and easy make. Would have been even quicker if I'd done it right the first time, but right, so thank you ever so much for watching my video today, and stay tuned for the pictures at the end, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.
Sunlight gleaming through the pane on my little houseboat domain. Got my molds and colors bright, crafting algae day and night, floating gently on the bay, watching little fishes play. But my mind's on swirls and gleam, living out a crafty dream. Got my epoxy hardener too, mix 'em up a shade of blue, pour it slow with careful hand. Let's start resin in the land. Resin magic on the houseboat, turning plastic into gold. Little trinket, shiny new, crafted just for me and you. From a simple